of talking while standing. Oh, the hula hoop. Oh, pish posh to you. I am trying to make a point. You know the saying, the world doesn't revolve around you. Well, if someone ever says that to you, always have a hula hoop handy. Because then they can be like, hey, the world doesn't revolve around you, And you can be like, well, some of it does. Alright, see ya.
Could you believe the same old story? It never bores me, though I've heard it all before. Her name was